Hi, so this week we looked up into a lot of hot beverage sleeve patents, which I thought was extremely interesting because I personally drink a lot of coffee and tea, and I always use a sleeve so I don't burn myself. And we were asked to look into 9 different patents of these coffee sleeves, but I'm just going to talk about some specific ones that I really liked myself. And the one I'm going to start with is US 6343735B1, which is the insulating sleeve. And this patent has a priority date of May 4th, 2000, and some of the key points or kind of a description of this patent is the goal is to provide an economic, disposable, and insulative sleeve that prevents a user with a gripping surface that remains at a comfortable temperature even when the temperature of the liquid in the container is very hot or cold. So this is pretty self-explanatory. It's the purpose of a sleeve, which is to protect your hand from a beverage that's either too hot or too cold, so you don't get burned or frozen, I guess. And then the claim specifics is more looking into the actual language of the claim itself. And the claim specifics, it says that it is an insulating container holder for a container having a sidewall. Said container comprising of a sleeve having a top opening and a bottom opening and a passageway between said top opening and said bottom opening for receiving the container, said sleeve conforming to the container sidewall, over a first portion of the surface of area of the sidewall. So this language is kind of a lot of jargon, but it is important in every patent to be very specific about what a holder actually is, and that's all of the jargon that I just spewed out. And even though it's pretty self-explanatory, we all know what a hot beverage holder looks like, but in order to file a claim for a patent, they have to be very specific in their wording, so other companies or other inventors don't really steal their ideas.